new TCX Hero boots in brown. Brand new, out of the box. Been worn once, ridden with once. Here are my old boots. TCX Hero brown. I've had them for over 3 years, 3.5 years, maybe 4. And the insides of them have completely come apart. Don't know if you can see that, but the whole lining has disintegrated at the heel area of both boots. Now I have taped them up, stuck them down, but in the end I had to buy new boots, and I enjoyed and found that the TCX Heroes with the side entry zip were the most comfortable boots for motorcycling I have ever worn. We'll compare the treads, as you can see there. This one, which is the left boot, the tread is almost completely gone. Let's try the other one, the right boot. The right boot is in somewhat better condition. That's because I always put my left foot down first. And you can see where I've been changing gear. I'll just highlight that. You can see, but these old boots have a really nice patina. I am going to miss those because they are so comfortable, but with the lining having disintegrated, they became a little uncomfortable and not waterproof anymore. But these are my new ones. Will scuff up nicely like those in the fullness of time. I got them from a sports bike shop, £189, and I paid extra £4.50 for expedited shipping because I don't like to wait for anything. Anyway, so TCX Hero boots in brown. They do come in black, but I prefer the brown. All right, that's it. Thank you.